Hello viewers, welcome to Guru Sai Maths. I am Padma. Now we are going to see 7th standard chapter 2 fractions and decimals in NCERT syllabus. Okay. What is fraction? I think you have studied last year about fractions. Fractions represent equal parts of a whole or a collection. Okay, there are proper fraction, improper fraction and mixed fraction. What is proper fraction? This is a fraction. This is numerator and this is denominator. Denominator is bigger than the numerator. It is proper fraction. Here improper fraction is the numerator is bigger than the denominator. That is improper fraction. And a mixed fraction means what? Improper fraction can be expressed as a mixed fraction by dividing the numerator by denominator to obtain quotient and remainder. So we can written as quotient remainder by divisor. So that is 1, 2 by 3, 3, 4 by 7, 5, 6 by 11. You see, we move on exercise 2.1. The first sum is solve 2 minus 3 by 5. Here 2 means what? 2 by 1. Nothing but 2 by 1 minus 3 by 5. These two are fractions. So subtract these two fractions. So 2 by 1 minus 3 by 5. Here denominator is different. If you want to subtract or add fractions, denominator should be equal, but here it is not equal. So we have to take LCM of these two numbers. So 1 comma 5. So 5 goes with here. So 1 you write same number and 1 5s are 5. So here what we get? 5. So LCM is 5. So we have to change these two denominator as 5. So here 1. Which number is multiplied with 1? We get 5. So 5. So 1 into 5. Denominator we want to 5. So we multiply 5. And also we have to multiply numerator. Not only multiply denominator, we have to multiply numerator also. So 5 into 5. Again here there is 5. So we multiply into 1 into 1. So 5 2s are 10 by 1 5s are 5. And then 3 1s are 3 by 5. Here we convert these two fractions into like this. So now denominator is equal. So we can subtract these two fractions. So 5 is common here, right? 10 minus 3. So 10 minus 3 is 7 by 5. So this is improper fraction. So we can write as mixed fraction. So what we do? You divide 7 by 5. So 7 divided by 5, 1 5s are 5, remainder 2. So you write quotient and remainder by divisor. So this is the answer of this question. Okay, second subdivision 4 plus 7 by 8. Again here there is no number, but it is here number is 1. Here 4 by 1. So plus 7 by 8. Okay, here also denominator different. We have to take LCM. So 1 comma 8. Only prime factors we put here and least prime factor we try. So 2, 1, 4 2s are and 2 2s are 4, 1, 1. So we get LCM 8. So we have to change the denominator as 8. Here which number multiply with 1? We get 8. So 8. So into 8 and also multiply numerator and 7 into here 8 is there. So 1 into 1. So 8 4s are 32 by 8, 7 by 8. Here denominators are equal, so we can add these two fractions common. We take 8, 32 plus 7, so 39 by 8, and divide it as like, so we get mixed fraction. And then 3 by 5 plus 2 by 7, LCM, this is different, so denominator is different, so we have to take LCM 5 comma 7, so it is goes on 5, 1 5s are 7 not go, so you simply write 7 and again 7, so 1 1s are, so 35, 7 5s are 35, so you change here 35, here 35, so 5 7s are 35, also multiply numerator, here 5 also multiply with the numerator 5, so 21 by 35, 10 by 35, so write 35, so 21 plus 10, 31 by 35. And here 9 by 11, next sum is fourth sum, subdivision, so 9 by 11 minus 4 by 15, 11 15 we have to take LCM, so here 11 goes with 11 but not goes with 15, but you write same 15 and 5 1 15, so 3 5s are 15, again 3 goes with the 3, so 1, so here you multiply these 3, 165, so LCM is 165, and 11 into 15 is 165, here 15 is into 11 is 165, same number you should multiply numerator also, again we get these, and these denominators are equal, so minus this one is 91 by 165. Next one is 7 by 10 plus 2 by 5 plus 3 by 2. LCM is 10, 5, 2. 5 we take these two number goes with 5. So and then 2 multiply this. So LCM is 10 and we change into denominator as 10. You know this, and this one we get, and adding these numerators we get this 26 by 10. This we can cancel this in same table. So 2 table it will cut by 2 table. We can cut with 2 table. So 5 2s are 10, 1 2s are 2, 3 2s are 6, 13 by 5, and change into mixed fraction 2 3 by 5. And sixth sum is here given mixed fractions, adding mixed fractions. So we have to change proper fraction. We know that no, these two numbers multiply and add with numerator. So 2 into 3, this is quotient, remainder and divisor. So divisor and quotient multiply, we have to multiply. So 3 2s are 6 plus 2 means 8 by 3, 3 2s are 6 plus 1 means 7 by 2. So here we get fraction 8 by 3 plus 7 by 2. Now we take LCM of these 3 2. So 3 comma 2 LCM is 6 and change into denominator as 6. You know already I have told about this. So and then 6 we get equal denominator, then add and change into mixed fraction. Next sum is again like sixth sum. Here mixed fraction change into fraction, and we have to take LCM and then subtract like this. Okay. Okay, if you have any doubt you can ask in comment box. This is part 1 video. Next sum we will see in part 2 video. Okay, I think you understood clearly. If you like my video, you like and share and subscribe.